Itong team na binuo natin ngayon, pag-champion to. USA 3! 1, 2, 3! USA!
Ito na yung team na sinasabi ko. Isipin mo, nandito na tayo sa championship. Kaya all out na lang tayo. The series.
I think we're really prepared for this. We were here before na finals pero natalo kami. So this time, I think we learned our lesson already. I think our team is peaking at the right time.
Experience yung mga players namin. And then, yung last year, na naranasan na rin namin to. Ayun, parang gigil kami manalo ngayon.
Maganda series to. Kung sino na lang yung magpipinish strong dito sa amin dalawa. Wala na mga excuses dito.